It is 4:20 a.m. This trip that I'm about to go on means a lot to me. Last time I was in LA was 3 years ago when I just started my channel, and a lot has changed since then, and my entire life has changed since then. We also survived a pandemic, you might have heard of it, which has kept me from going back there and seeing my friends. So yeah, I am very excited.
Let's go. I'm about to set it off. I know just how I turn it on. I won't cool down. I'm burning up, burning up, burning up.
This is the first time that I'm at a lounge in an airport, and I am so impressed and I'm so excited. I just had some champagne. Dank u wel. I had some breakfast, and I'm it's fine, it's fine. No, it's okay. I'm so distracted right now. I am so lucky today. When I boarded, they changed my seat and we were trying to figure out where to sit now. And they told me that the other flight to LA, so there's 2 flights going to LA from Amsterdam every day, the other flight is cancelled. So I am very lucky that I get to go to LA still and that my flight didn't get cancelled. Alright, let's do a little tour. Down here, you can put your legs. I have a pillow, I have a blanket for when I want to sleep, because this is a full flat seat, so I can just lie down and go to bed. And here we have a pocket, we have another pocket, we have a table that I will use when I go and edit things. Then we have some buttons, I have my cheese, I have my wine. And then here, water bottle, toiletries, and then I also have noise cancelling headphones right there, and a little remote. Let's see what's in the little bag. Toothbrush, lip balm, toothpaste, a face moisturizer. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow.
I'm not sure what this is, but we'll find out. We have a pen. Nice. We have socks. I brought my own socks, but that's so nice. Absoluut. Oh, heerlijk. Dankjewel. I am so incredibly full right now, but I'm still gonna eat the cheese. I was trying to vlog, but I am so... I was going to say that I was trying to edit, not vlog, but I am so tired. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to put on a little mask, and I'm gonna try out this bed. Alright, I just freshened up. I feel good. In 30 minutes we will be landing in LA. I'm so excited. I am well rested. I would say that the the investment in this business class seat was 100% worth it, because after 11 hours of flying, I feel amazing. I'm ready for the day, and it will only be 11:30 when we arrive. So yeah, we have an entire day ahead of us.
Wij wensen u een heel verblijf hier in Los Angeles of nog een heel gelukkig vervolg van uw reis. Graag tot ziens.
I cannot say enough good things about KLM. Wait, you have my phone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, oh my god.
Wait, I have somebody's phone.
Do you just have... Where's my phone? My nail polish exploded in my suitcase today. This is what happens when you're trying to do good things, as in you're trying to look good. This happens. Man.